Good afternoon. Are you Miss Emily Johnson?
Yes, I am. Do you have a package for me?
Yes, ma'am. I have a delivery from Celebration Gifts.
Oh, wonderful. I think I know what this might be.
Is it something special?
Well, tomorrow is my birthday, so I believe it's a birthday gift.
That's exciting. Happy early birthday.
Thank you very much. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. Before I hand over the package, could you please confirm your address?
Sure. It's 528 Sunset Avenue, Los Angeles, California.
Perfect. Everything matches our records.
Great. The package looks beautifully wrapped.
Yes, some gift deliveries come with special packaging.
I love surprises. I wonder who sent this gift.
Do you have any guesses?
Maybe my sister. She always sends thoughtful presents.
That's nice. Do you have a big birthday celebration planned?
Not really. Just a small dinner with family and close friends.
Sometimes smaller celebrations are more meaningful.
I agree. I prefer spending quality time with people I care about.
That sounds wonderful.
Is a signature required for this delivery?
Yes, please sign right here on the screen.
All right. There you go.
Thank you. The delivery has been successfully completed.
Thanks.